In this video I want to show you how to assemble the Zinus Elite Smart Bed Platform. So this is the Elite one, and as you see it is in this box. This is the king size, so I'm gonna open the box first. So notice this here should be like this. So this one goes inside like this, and then you tighten this one here. You don't need any tool, it's by your hand. Tighten it good. I'm gonna do it on the other side too. So I need to do it on this side too here. Just loosen the screw a little bit with your hand, and then let this slide in very good, like this, and then tighten it. For the legs here, notice each leg here, it has this one here, it should go inside the screw. So just loosen the screw a little bit. So to put it in, you should just put it like this a little bit, and then slide it in, and then when you slide it in, tighten it with your hand. So here it's really tight, and you should do this for the other legs too. So I'm gonna do it. So now that everything is tight, I'm gonna put this like that. It's really sturdy. And I'm gonna assemble the second one. And now we need these to put these two together. So I'm gonna open it. So you don't need any tool to put it together. So these here, and these are the bolts. Just bring this, and now you simply put them together like this. Align the holes. So let me show you. You have these holes here. Should be aligned with this one. So you just put this inside like that. It goes to the other side like that. Should be tight. And on the other side you have the bolt. So you should tighten these here. And you should do the same also on the other side. Let me show you. So you should do it here also. See the holes here should go inside like that, and just align it and tighten it. So now the SmartBase is ready. I'm gonna put the mattress on it. So this is here the end result, and it's really very good.